Of course, we have a presidential election less than a year from now, the biggest election on the biggest stage.
Voter turnout in a national race is more of a spectacle than those local state races, and it begs the question, how does Arkansas's civic health stack up? Experts wanted to know this answer as well, and Wake Up Central's Michaela Johnson joins us now with the findings from a new report. Michaela?
Hayden, Karen, good morning. Many consider voting a civic duty, but until now, no report has ever been published that describes the conditions of civic and political engagement in the natural state. The Arkansas Civic Health Index aims to capture all of that. The findings come from data collected by interviewing Arkansas residents, civic leaders, and other professionals, also analyzing national data. Here's what they found. Arkansas ranked dead last behind all 50 states and D.C. in terms of political participation in the 2020 U.S. presidential election. The analyst shows a consistent pattern in recent midterm and local elections. Positively, though, they found an increase in voter turnout among college students from 2016 to 2020 elections. And as for what's caused this, data shows Arkansans' low trust in the federal government compared to the average U.S. citizen is likely behind the low political participation. Victoria DeFrancesco Soto with the Clinton School of Public Service says civic health is just like any other health issue.
We haven't been doing the upkeep, and this has led to some very worrisome outcomes. Crises have emerged that threaten the future of the nation. The U.S. is at an inflection point. We're at a fork in the road.
Now, Soto says this index is the first step to really fixing the problem. But something interesting found in the index, despite lots of political distrust, Arkansans have higher levels of trust in election officials compared to the national average. Michaela Johnson for Wake Up Central.
Now, you don't want to be dead last in anything, especially in a category such as this too, but maybe those numbers for the younger voters kind of stepping up, you can change that.
Yes, absolutely. The next generation always, but we can all set a good example and do our civic duty. Thank you, Michaela.